strata Florida. Thoroughly bolt. Frosty start. Going on a bit of a road trip around Wales today. We're starting off at Llyn Castle. We're in the Tawy Valley, longest river in Wales, and we're heading up north now. Let's see what else we can find today. Are you enjoying yourself for that? No distraction enough. Right, so now we're in Gilfach Nature Reserve, mid Wales, quite close to Cwmystwyth. We're just having a walk through the woods. Is this an abandoned farmhouse, Bea?
Yeah, well, yeah.
Gonna check this farmhouse out next, and then maybe go up the hill or something then. So this is like the animal side of the farm. People would live that way. In fact, they are still living there. We're in the old farmhouse. We left this bit open for visitors. The sink is really cool. What's that for a sink? Got all like facts on things. Books of Llyn. Frog spawn. Whoa. We're gonna walk the length of it.
Yeah, like this.
Do do do. It's pretty solid, I think, though. Right, we come halfway into the tunnel, and just with the torch off my phone, it's a little bit dark, so that could be it. So far we come. Oh, I've changed our mind. We're going for it, mate. Yeah. Just hoping there's no zombies down the bottom or some discovery of a dead body or something. I don't want to find that today.
No, I think we're okay.
And go through to the other side. That was a long one. I'm hoping nobody closes the door back there, but it looks like you can open this from this side. Nah, it's a chain on it. Help! We walked all the way down this valley. This is the tunnel we were just in. It would have saved us so much time if we could get out. We've come across the Welsh iguana. They grow to be quite big, as you can see. This one, he's turned to stone for the winter. Yeah, do you think this is like an old rock and they've carved into the top? This looks like it's a river. It's like the pool up the top and the river coming down to the cliff.
It could be that.
What on earth is this? No, it's Strata, Florida. Welshest name for a monastery ever. This is really cool. Old ornate bits of rock. It's just an old graveyard. Strikes me as how they're sort of unnamed, you know? There's no markings on them. 3 different chapels here. The tiles, really ornate, look at these. Come see a cave now. Check out, I don't know if it's like more of a quarry thing.
I've got like, it's like a rock in.
Cool. Danger! Oh, cool.
Head. Fin.
Mermaid. Maybe. Yeah, I can see the head on it. What's that thing there?
What is that?
Where? Oh yeah, wow. That's quite big, isn't it? It's big. I don't think we have to whisper, man. You're not going to wake him up. God, this is big.
Yeah,
This is more of a quarry sort of thing, isn't it? Mine.
and then it goes into like pothole, and you can keep going.
Ah,
but
right.
It goes into 2 potholing holes.
Cool. Oh, there's a bat right here.
Yeah, so this is where they usually are in the dark, ice dark woods. Oh wow, I need.
Right, we've come in the secret bothy. There's a few people here already. So look inside. Oh, the fire's on. It's dark. They've cleaned that room, look. Oh, there and there. Right, met a fellow YouTuber, yeah?
Hey buddy,
I'll put his channel below for you.
brilliant.
Right?
Got a bit of food?
You staying the night, we were having to think about it, haven't we? I don't know.
Don't know yet.
Quite fancy the lakes.
We spoke for choice.
I got music.
Yeah.
I got
Oh, we're gonna DJ. Yeah?
everything. I got big
Now
speaker.
then. Oh, now then. We're gonna have a
I got
rave.
music down there.
Kitchen. There was all cutlery and plates and stuff last time. Oh, there's a cutlery, right? Yes, very well stocked, this one. Running water. Mirror and a leather chair. A couple of supplies, creepy mask. I don't think I'd like to try any sausages. Right, crossing one of the Llyns now. Decided to camp down by the lake instead. Got a stunning sunset. Got to the campsite in the dark. Found a cracking spot up on top of this little hill. 360 views. Right, first try this mat tonight. This is the Light Tour R7. So apparently better heat resistant than this one. We'll find out tonight now. It's in the sort of rounded shape, a little bit small at the bottom. So Poppy's in a new coat. I've got the keys to winter sleeping bag. We've got Chef Cara on the case again.
What am I cooking?
Cooking up cheesy veggie pasta. Don't let it be said that this girl doesn't take care of me. Look at this meal she's cooking up again now.
There's a lot going on in here.
Starving.
Good. I hope you are, because there's a lot, like, I think
Plenty of it, is there?
a little bit too much pasta.
Yeah, night sky's been amazing tonight. Just showed you the photos there. Full up with pasta. We had some cream egg chocolates. Poppy is proper cozy there. Let me show you. So that is her. Believe it or not. There she is. Ah. Loving life. In a little coat. Should be cosy there. I'm a bit concerned about Cara sleeping bag, mind. Look at that thinness. Look at it. That's mine. What does it say? Comfort.
-9.
Comfort 8.
What is it?
Comfort 8. It's -1 outside. -9, that's when you die, that is. The extreme rating. -10, you're dead. So we got here in the dark, so try and get up for dawn, that'll be good. Get the sunrise. Frosty start. I've been woken up by the geese. Making out for racket. The brew on. Morning sun. This is our water, look. So I've just lost a drone. Tried to fly it across the lake. Most of them got returned home setting. We just lost connection and it's gone. Could be at the bottom of the lake now. Oh well. Lasted 2 flights, that did. Run out of water, so thinking about collecting some and treating it. What do you think? Would you? Pond water coffee. Just gonna thoroughly boil it. Should be fine. Thoroughly boiled. That's the word for it, boiled. It's about 3 or 4 minutes now it's been going, so I know anything in there is dead. Poppy open for a bacon roll.
Yeah, she is.
You're not having one. I was sure there was something camping across from us. I can't see it on you. It looks like an acto, but we zoomed in. It's like a pile of logs or something. There's some hut up on the hill. There we go. Left no trace.
What am I doing? What's wrong with you?
I can't be saying stuff like that. What am I doing?
What were you saying just now? You got a gimp costume?